Alright, welcome back. Don't come to Yoruba land and shoot someone. Sunday Igboho warns police officers and soldiers. On to this, Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho, commonly known as Sunday Igboho, is a popular Yoruba activist and businessman. He gained national recognition when he gave a weak ultimatum to Fulani S-men who inhabit the Ibarapa area in Oyo State. Many atrocities have been attributed to the S-men, and Sunday Igboho took it upon himself to tackle these evil deeds they were doing reportedly. Alright, Chief Femi Fani-Kayode shared a video on his Facebook page in which Sunday Igboho spoke. In the video, Chief Sunday Igboho praised President Muhammadu Buhari on the order he gave about those in possession of AK-47 gun. Alright, President Buhari ordered the Nigerian armed forces to gun down anyone in possession of this kind of arsenal. Meanwhile, Chief Sunday Igboho warned the armed forces, including the police and soldiers, to be careful with the order given to them. The popular activist warned them not to come to Yoruba land and shoot someone or implicate anyone. According to Sunday Igboho, Gumi has revealed the whereabouts of the terrorists, and the armed forces should go after them and not innocent Yoruba people. Alright, and then there's been a lot of reactions onto this one. Meanwhile, Sunday Igboho has advised the federal government to channel its energy towards arresting Boko Haram leader Ibrahim Shekau and Islamic cleric Sheikh Ahmad Gumi, who has been holding meetings with bandits. Igboho said this during an interview with The Punch on Friday while reacting to the face-off between him and security agents around the Guru Maharaji bus stop along the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. The Yoruba activist, who has been in the news for serving a quit notice on Fulani S-men in some parts of the southwest, said he was never invited before they attempted to arrest him. When asked if he would honor a police invitation, Igboho said, "Go and ask them to invite Gumi and Shekau first before disturbing me. Let them face the bandits instead." Igboho also said they would not run, adding that he had returned to his base in Ibadan. When asked if he would go into hiding, he said, "What for? I am in the neighborhood. I cannot run." Alright, and then meanwhile, Igboho told this newspaper that his bank account was initially frozen, but the restriction was lifted recently. He said he had done nothing wrong but fight for the rights of his people. Alright, and then this had been said so far. And then meanwhile, Sunday Igboho had opened up and he revealed what he wants from the federal government. Thousands of people have died in battles between ethnic Fulanis and other groups in recent decades, and this man named Sunday Igboho, who is a car salesman, has been in the media and a very controversial national figure in this increasingly deadly conflict. Alright, according to a recent Instagram post by Sunday Igboho, the only thing he wants from the federal government of Nigeria is the Oodua Republic. Alright, and then that is it. What more can we say? Well, a lot of people already know what is going on in the land. And then as it is, well, I would say, should I say victory for the Yorubas? Well, initially it has been said by Sunday Igboho that come 2023, you people should just forget about that, because we know that all these plans, all these strategies you people are putting together is just to take over. But as far as the Yorubas are concerned, according to Sunday Igboho, he has said it that as far as the Oodua is concerned, We are not ready to continue with this regime. We are not ready to continue with this so-called country. We are not ready to continue with Nigeria. We want to go our separate ways. Come 2023 presidency, make una forget them, because as far as it is, we are not ready to succumb. We are not ready to vote. A lot of things are going to happen. My brother, we need to be prayerful. Though some of my followers will say, Pilado, what are you talking about? To be prayerful, be make we take come by force. Well, I understand the level to which my people are coming from, but the truth of the matter is there is nothing prayers cannot do. Well, thank God for somebody like Sunday Igboho that God has been using to fight for the mercies, to fight for the people. Well, the truth of the matter is, either they like it or not, the truth has been said. Everyone knows the truth right now, and then a lot of them are being apprehended, and that is it on this one. Sunday Igboho has released it. In fact, he has said it that you being a policeman or a soldier, make una no job bother. May I no try. I'm saying I want to arrest any Yoruba man unto say we they fight for the right thing, and then that has been said so far on this one, and then there's been a lot of reactions. Well, my people, meanwhile, let me have more take from you on this one, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.